Here is how we can turn off the silent mode on the iPad inside of the settings. So I'm gonna walk you through the whole thing. So if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So a lot of people know that they can go to the control center like this when you swipe down from the top right, and you can control things like the silent mode. So I already have like the toggle in here, right? And I can switch between the loud and a silent mode. And yeah, it's pretty nice. But when you want to do it inside of the settings, you can go to the settings app as such, and instead scroll through the side panel until you find these sounds, right? And literally the first thing is the silent mode with a red toggle, which we are not really used to seeing because usually we have just the green one. But this red one allows you to enable the silent mode and disable it as well. And it's obviously the same thing as in the control center. So when you disable it in here, it also applies there. So it just comes down to the preference and how you want to control it. But at the end of the day, this is how you do it. I personally like to keep my iPad set to silent essentially all the time. And you just basically make sure that the iPad doesn't make any sound or noise. So that's one thing. But if you want to like filter out sounds and like notifications and so on, try looking into the focus mode where you can set up, for example, work focus and filter specific people or notifications. But this is a little bit more of a specific approach, but I'm just mentioning it because it kind of has to do something with the silent mode. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain, and I'll see you in the future uploads.